Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video we'll focus on time cycle studies. So I'll share some one important time cycles which is very simple in nature, doesn't require any complex calculation, and it is based on a concept called angel number, which is based on numerology and vibrational techniques. So first I've shared few of the videos on angel numbers. So there are various angel numbers, and few angel numbers work really well in financial markets. They work in every aspect of our life, but few of them are very much important for financial markets. So first let me explain you what are angel numbers. Angel numbers work in accordance with the tenets of numerology, which upholds the notion that each number is connected to a certain vibrational energy. And so basically these are the numbers which are based on certain vibrational energies, and they work in every aspect of life. And we being humans which are part of finance market or stock markets, so generally the same energy gets it's get entertained in stock markets also. And with that we tend to see a lot of swings in the market, a lot of turning points we can predict well in advance using this particular methodologies. Again, to reiterate, these are not holy grails. They don't work every time. As from my experience, they work at least 60 to 70 to 75% of the time. So stop losses are must on all the trades you are taking. Having a trade plan is must on all the trades you are taking. And don't over leverage yourself, thinking like last 4 times it has worked, it will work the next time also. And it is a game of patience. You have to wait for the level to come. The trade might get triggered after 1 or 2 days. Wait patiently for the trade to get triggered and ride the move. The minimum target which I follow for this strategy is 5% on stocks, and at least 800 to 1000 points in bank nifty, and 250 to 300 points in nifty. And again, I can trail them using various trailing methodologies by basic technical analysis. So the main aim to learn and understand the time cycle is to find the important turning points in the market. So today I'll focus on angel number 690, and it is a number which suits our lifestyle and lifestyle choices. So let's get started. So first let me take an example. So first, to find these numbers, what is important for me is I need to find the major highs and lows in the market. You know, I need to go back and understand, find the major highs and lows. So this is a bank nifty chart. Okay, so now let's go back. If I go somewhere in October of 2018, again these are the analysis which we have already done. So if I go to 8th October 2018, yeah, this was the date in 2018 when Nifty Bank Nifty made a major bottom. After that, we had a good rally. So what I have to do here is I just go select the date 8th October 2018, which is already present here. So you can create a column stocks high low, and what I have to do is I have to just add 690 to this. So people who are not well versed with Excel, what you have to do is 8th October 2018, press the plus key and just type 690. So you get a date like 28th August 2020. Similarly, the high it made was on 31st May 2019. Again, I select that and I add 690. I get a date 20th April 2021. So let's quickly go and check what happened on these two dates. What I've done, I found a major swing high. I added 690. So 28th August 2020 is one date, and 20th April 2021 is another date. Let's quickly go and check what has happened on these two dates. So first was 28 August 2021. So sorry, 2020. So I'll quickly go to August of 2020, 08 28. Yeah, see, this was the date. Next day, Bank Nifty opened with gap up. It breached the low, and see, this was a major top of the market, 31st August. Very next day, we had a gap up opening. It started filling the gap. So it gave a strong trend reversal. And after that, we had such a nice fall. So my minimum target of 1000 points is done. Then I can trail my position. Another date which I got was 20th April 2021. So I'll quickly go there and check anything happened on that day. 20th April. 20th April 2021 was again, so 20th was a holiday. 22nd, this was 20th April. The very next day, it breached the high, and after that, you got your 1,000 points move. It again breached the low, which we got stopped out, and again, a good rally came on upside. So this is a very simple technique which you can use. So you have to find the major highs and lows, just add 690 to this. Now let me quickly take an example of Nifty also. So like Nifty made a bottom on 26th October 2018. So again, just let's quickly go and check 2018, 10, 26th. Yeah, so this was a major bottom here, 26th October 2018. And again, what I have to do, I have to just add 690 days. 26th October 2018 at 690 days. So I will get 15 September 20, and on 3rd June 19 if I add, I get 23rd April 2021. So let's quickly check both these dates, 15 September 20 and 23rd April 2021. So I'll go to the Nifty chart, and first date which I have to check is uh, so this is 15 September. So this was 15th. Again on 16th we made a major top, and probably it happens because of that leap year. Leap year. But again, plus minus 1 day is fine. So 16th September it made a top, and from there we had a very good fall in the market. Similarly, let's quickly go and check 23rd April 2021 based on the calculations which we have just done. 2021 04 23 April. Again, so this was a major bottom, 23rd, and from there the high was broken. We had a good rally. Let's quickly check some stocks also. So I'll go with Maruti first. And Maruti, like, it made a bottom on 31st July 2019. Let me just quickly check and validate those figures. 2019 July 31st. Perfect. And you add 690 days, you get 20th June 2021. 0621. And you can go and check here quickly. See here, a major bottom, and your last week you got that 13% rally. So it works in every kind of market. Now I want to give a very specific example of SRT Finance. So I will not go to the swing high and swing low, but you can see here, you can go and cross validate those figures. So 13 June 2021 was the 690 days from the low. So what I'm doing is, I'm going here, SRT Finance 30th June was this day, this particular day. Let me just expand it. This day, 13th was a holiday, so 14th. And see here, it didn't break the low, it didn't break the high, so no trade, no trade. And on this day, we got a trade, and from here, we got almost a 80 points move in SRT Finance. So very simple technique which we are using. Now, so this can be applied on any kind of markets, any kind of stocks we have given. Let me take one last example of HDFC Bank. Again, if we can see here, we got a date 17 June 2021 on 18 July when it made a high. And see here, 17 June is where it made a major top, and from there it is just correcting. So we have our database where we have all these figures. Now few dates which you can keep in mind for the coming year, for the July month, are these: Nifty, Adani Ports, Balakrishna, BPCL. So you can just keep an eye on these dates which are part of 13 July. You know, so these are the dates which you can keep an eye on and see how the markets will react on these dates. Prepare your plan, note down the high and low of that day, and based on that you can make a plan. Even Reliance and iBold Finance, if I go here, 169 high, let me quickly show you for June. Let me just clear the filter. And because Reliance date is coming, June, I'll select all the dates. See here, yeah, iBulls is on 26 June, and Reliance is not coming here. Yeah, Reliance will be from the high. Let me just quickly show you, because Reliance is there. A lot of people were asking me about Reliance. So let me just quickly show you about Reliance. Yeah, here it is. Reliance. 28 June 2021. right? So these are the two important dates which you can keep an eye on, and I've given you a lot of examples. You can go ahead and cross validate it. So thank you very much for listening to this video. I hope you learned something. Implement this and let's see, I mean, and make sure, I mean, if it helps in your trading, well and good. If it doesn't help, just ignore this strategy. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy.